Sorry for the bad lighting today. I'm right now using my temporary setup, which is in my closet, and I just have this white thing here. This is my video on taking apart my Megaminx, so hopefully this goes well and I can fix it again. So this is inspired by the Simon Shi, and he disassembled an Megaminx. Damn, an Megaminx, and I can't even assemble my 4x4 properly. I mean, I can, it's just 6x6 is like 2 times harder. So yeah, Cube Solve Hero, I can't speak, Cube Solve Hero, and the Simon Shi. You guys are like, you guys earn my respect. Like, how the hell do you, like, whatever. It takes immense patience, so let's just take apart this Megaminx.
Huh?
Here we go. So that's one layer complete, and it looks like I just took apart like half of the Megaminx even though it's one layer. Okay, final pieces. And here's our Megaminx. It looks a bit like, what does it look like? A spiky ball, I don't know. For the fun of it, we're taking off the center cap. So, again, the center caps are gone now, and look at this humongous mess. We're gonna sort out these pieces so it's a bit easier for me.
Huh?
I wasn't recording, so I guess I just have to restart, or I just start working on it. So starting off with the center caps. Obviously, this is like no point in doing this. Obviously, like, it's really easy to assemble a Megaminx, I'm guessing. Pretty similar to 3x3, I think. And if I'm wrong, well, I tried something new, and it's pretty cool. How are you supposed to do like M slices on a Megaminx? Is it like this? I don't even know. But one thing for sure, this cube is like really fast when there's no pieces. Okay, starting off with the white star, or maybe just do a layer. So here, and then we'll add another edge. Just take a random edge, put it in, take a random corner. Looks like doing the like a cube here or QiYi here. It doesn't really stabilize it, so I don't know. We'll just lay it down like this and complete the rest. Second layer complete. I mean S12 complete, and finally last layer. Final edge piece.
Bruh.
Well, obviously I get it done. Cube is very lubey now, since I didn't like dry out any of the lube or set this cube up. Significantly drier, but still pretty lubey inside as well. Yeah, this cube is pretty stable, but the factory lube isn't the best. It's kind of dodgy, but anyway, let's just solve the cube now. That's all we have to do. So now we're gonna have some flipped like corners and stuff, so I gotta be careful. We're gonna like, to make sure that we don't have any flipped corners, we're gonna do this. Well, so we're gonna take apart these corners. And one final turn and we're complete. There we go. And we've successfully taken our Megaminx back to its original state. Maybe the centers have flipped, but that doesn't matter. None of us cared. So yeah. My Megaminx is now greasy. And what I learned from this is that Megaminx is basically 3 red 3, and Megaminxes get really lubey, and it takes like ages to get rid of the lube because of the sculpted design. And yeah,